Hello everyone, this is Julepynt and we continue to create a Christmas miracle with our own hands. Today we will decorate an IKEA bowl using decoupage technique and we will create a homemade structural paste. After degreasing the surface using a sponge, we apply 2 layers of white acrylic paint and we let it dry. In the same time, we separate the top layer of the napkin with a selective motif, carefully tear off the edges of the picture with our fingers. Then we should apply acrylic glue. I use this glue to the surface of the bowl. Look, so first acrylic glue and then we attach picture and carefully apply acrylic varnish to the picture. Carefully smooth it so that you press the brush tightly to the picture but not to tear it. And also avoid the air bubbles on the napkin and wrinkles. And when the pictures are glued, leave the decoration to dry for a while. After the drying, we apply the blue color with a sponge, which we mix it using white and blue paint. And again, after this, we should leave the bowl to dry. If you need more bright color, so you can put 2 layers with sponge. And after this, we will make our homemade structural paste. You don't need to spend a lot of money on expensive materials, but you can create them with your own hands. It's very easy at home to make it. We mix the remains of white paint and acrylic varnish, and we add teaspoon of baking soda to the mixture. I would say proportion 1 to 1 to 1. And then you mix it well. And to apply the paint, use the old stiff brush or palette knife like this. And until the structural paste has dried, use glitter. I use glitter like rainbow pearls, but you can use other colors. So I apply structural paste. But I don't mix glitter with paste. I will apply it after. And for make it more easier, I put it in a salt box. You will see now. So our IKEA bowl became more beautiful. This look, this is glitter, yeah. And then you can leave it just to dry. If you need to speed up the drying process, you can use hair dryer, but I don't like it. It's just very emergency. So the bowl is almost ready. All we have to do is tie a bow and hang our decoration on the Christmas tree. I hope, friends, you like the masterclass, and I will be glad if you add some photos of your works and what you got in the comments to this video. And thank you for subscribing my channel. I wish to everyone an inspired week, and I promise that I will make new interesting workshops, and I will give you a lot of ideas which inspire you for Christmas vibes, Christmas time, and you can make a lot of gifts for your friends by your own hands. Look what we have. I made 3 nice Christmas balls. I wish all of you a very good mood. So